Are you preparing for the FE exam and looking for an effective study method? Look no further. In this week's Pass the FE exam video, I will guide you on how to master FE exam concepts through reading. Reading is a powerful tool that can help you understand and retain information better. Let's dive in. Before we get started, here's a word from our sponsor for today's episode, School of PE. Are you putting off preparing for licensure? Waiting for life to slow down so you have time to prep? Months from now, you could find yourself still waiting for the right time. Or you could start preparing today with School of PE. Take the guesswork out of exam prep. With 93% pass rates, expert instructors, and a pass guarantee, you'll be walking into that exam fully prepared. Make the right choice today. Enroll now and save 32% with promo code EMI32 at schoolofpe.com. That's SCHOOL of PE.com. The FE exam is increasingly focused on concepts rather than specific formulas. This shift requires mastering fundamental engineering processes alongside problem-solving skills. Preparing for conceptual questions can be challenging, as it involves understanding which concepts are tested and how they're evaluated, and how to adequately prepare for them. Engaging in independent practice questions, reflecting on areas of difficulty, analyzing approaches, and exploring alternative scenarios enhances conceptual understanding. This is so important. However, traditional practice problems may not fully prepare you for conceptual inquiries that assess your comprehension of engineering principles and application of formulas. You don't want to get tripped up like most people do here. To complement practice questions, please repeatedly contemplate engineering concepts from various perspectives and then apply them to straightforward problems. You got to get creative in your studying methods today. The process of reading, practicing, and applying is essential for developing a comprehensive conceptual understanding. You've got to understand concepts to pass the FE exam. Here are some strategies to enhance your reading abilities for FE exam concepts. Number one, identify the purpose. Before you start reading any material, it's crucial to understand what you're aiming to learn from it. Are you tackling a textbook chapter, a set of practice problems, or diving into a reference guide? Knowing this will help you focus your attention on the most relevant information. Number two, preview the material. Take a quick skim through the headings, subheadings, maybe the figures, the tables. This will give you kind of a bird's eye view of the content and help you to identify the key terms that you're going to encounter later on. This is very helpful for me. Number three, activate prior knowledge. Before delving into new information, take a moment to think about what you already know about this topic. This will create connections between old and new knowledge, making it easier to grasp concepts. Now, let's talk about strategies to use while you're actively reading. Number one, focus on key terms and definitions. Pay close attention to bold-faced words, italicized terms, and definitions provided throughout the text. These often hold crucial information that you're going to need to understand the rest of the material. Number two, read actively. Don't just passively absorb information. Ask yourself questions like, what's the main point of this paragraph? Or how does this concept connect to what I already know? This active engagement will definitely improve your comprehension. Number three, annotate the material. Whether it's underlining key points, taking notes in the margin, or creating a mind map, find a method that helps you organize your thoughts and then retain information better. We have to do this. Number four, vary your reading speed. Read slowly for complex or unfamiliar concepts and skim fast for quick reviews. Number five, visualize. Create mental images of the concepts that you're reading about. This can really help you to remember and retain information better, so important on the exam. After you've finished reading, it's essential to follow up with some post-reading strategies. Number one, summarize the main points. Take a moment to jot down the key ideas in your own words. This reinforces your understanding and it highlights areas where you might need further clarification. I'm always jotting down everything. It really does help. Number two, paraphrase the information. Try explaining the concepts that you've learned in your own words, either verbally or in writing. This helps solidify your grasp on the material and identifies areas of confusion. Right? Teaching others is a good way to learn. Number three, practice. Regularly apply the concepts you learned to practice problems. This will help solidify your understanding and identify areas where you need further practice. Remember, improving your reading skills takes practice and a lot of consistency. By implementing the strategies that I've gone through here today into your study routine, you'll be well equipped to tackle those FE exam concepts like a pro. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, we will answer more of your FE exam questions and run through more practice problems. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button as you will get expert tips and tricks, including practice problem solutions weekly to ensure that you pass the FE exam. And please, I encourage you to ask questions in the comments below this video, and I will read and respond to them in future videos. Until next time, I wish you the best in studying for the FE exam.